welcome to Storm Chasing with Noah and Nahum. Sadly, Nahum won't be joining us on this day, but we got a nice high risk to chase on. See? Look at it. Just great. Okay, so there should be stuff forming by Hibbing. Storm motions northeast. And yeah, that's nothing much. Man, that was awkward silence. Yeah, we might have to drive through the core. Hang on, that's a little scary, Alright, we need to keep going south. That'll give us a chance at, I don't know, getting a tornado. There's there's a storm. Why is it so laggy? Hang on, guys. I think I turned my, that explains. Alright, we should turn that down. There we go. Alright, that'll help. We probably want to use the Hibbing radar, because we can't see. Oh, I am concerned. Oh, I'm concerned about how big that is. That is concerning. Really concerning. That meso shows it's huge on radar. Oh, it's mesocyclone stage now. Dang, it's so loud. Let's see, can I? Alright, that'll help. Alright, there. Alright. I'm not... Is it heading for... It's heading towards Prior Lake. Oh, no. This is gonna be bad. Don't hit Prior Lake. Lower 3 Mile Lake. Yeah, no, I don't know that. I'm joking. I've not been down to Hibbing in so long. It's like Hibbing, West Viroqua, Sylvia, Cherokee Village, Bedora, Sneed. Barely get any more tornadoes. Funkley? Like, alright, we should probably get a little more concerned as we're driving through this rain. Oh, that works. Oh, yeah. Alright. There's no tornado. Oh, there's a tornado. How big is it? Oh, it crashed. Alright, well, that's fine.
This severe thunderstorm will impact the following locations. Palvoid, Palmyra,
See, keep moving. I don't see any
Hazelton, Kalma,
tornadoes.
Westfield Valley, Trent, Funkley, Prior Lake.
Let's sit here for a minute.
For your protection, move indoors to a sturdy.
Orange TVS tornado, giant couplet. The worst part is I'm in the worst of the storm right now. It's not gonna get any better. And with a tornado bearing on me, it ain't helping. Bro, the street lights are swaying. Like they're like, I don't know. They're really swaying. Alright, it's lightening up. It's still heading for downtown Prior Lake. I'm not seeing any tornadoes. Did that light just die? Whatever. Okay, well. I'm waiting to catch a glimpse of the tornado. I don't have view. It's still orange. Now it's red. Oh no. This might be a little. Oh. Oh! Everyone move! Go! Go! Go to mile one! Go! Whoa! Bro, that thing came out of nowhere! Oh, I shouldn't have sat here! Guys! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! That thing was so big! It just snuck up on me! Look at the couplet. It's heading right for me. It's hitting Prior Lake, isn't it? Oh, it's got brown in it? I've not seen brown in so long, ever since that EF5 video. This is not good. Not good. Definitely not good. Probably should deploy a probe right here. Oh god. Move. Move. Go north. Go north. Go north. Massive tornado right there. Guys, did you see when that thing popped up and then there were power flashes everywhere and... Whoo! That was insane. Honestly. Oh, 106? That's it? 108, alright. Well, it's... Oh. That thing's way stronger than 108. Oh, it's at 140s. Oh, okay, it might be back to a mile wide again. How is it getting me over here? How is it hitting me over here? 170s? This tornado's got an insane wind field. Oh no, it's an EF5. Oh, well, almost EF5. That thing's a mile wide! Mile wide tornado, 202 mile-an-hour winds!
Beltrami County in north central
Oh
Minnesota.
no, 26, 26.
That
thing is huge.
Capable of producing 60 mile per hour wind gusts.
My second probe's only got 72 tops so far.
Moving north
Oh,
at
214?
70 miles per hour. This severe thunderstorm will
Nahum, is this a bad couplet? Nahum? Nahum? This is when you know you're in sudden doom.
your protection move.
How big is it?
To a
Oh.
sturdy building. Avoid windows.
Yeah, it did hit your house, but that's fine.
Occasionally you produce tornadoes with little or no advance warning.
I can't intercept it. 214 mile-an-hour winds, probably stronger than that. Bro, that thing's probably a mile wide. Okay, it's growing. It's growing, it's growing. Only 111 top on the new probe? Dang, now I feel like this tornado's weak. But really, when you look at the velocity couplet, it is definitely not weak. Oh, my probe is entering the tornadoes. Oh, no. I need to start. Oh! Oh, it's huge! I'm in the wind field! Seriously? Guys, this thing's already an EF5. 150 on probe. Probably about to spike up to 160. No, it's actually staying in the wind. No, there's 170. This is not good, not good. 180. Okay, 190. $191. Looks like it's staying there. I can't see the tornado anymore. Where do I want to go? Oh my god, look at that couplet. Oh, there's a second one forming behind it. I can survive 191. I'm gonna intercept it. Bro, 191? Well, actually, it was actually 214 mile-an-hour winds. It's more than two. Hang on. Yeah, I did notice that. There is another rotation. Okay, it's not as big. It's still a monster. I think I have to bring out TIV 2 to intercept this thing. How big is the back end on that warning? 2.5 miles? It's insane. Okay. Well, I'm getting ready to intercept this beast, so I should probably get the TIV 2 out now. Alright. Start deploying. I probably deployed too late or too soon. Place it. Get in the car, get in the car, get in the car. We've deployed. Oh, we're still deploying. Oh no. We're almost in the tornado. Oh, it's coming. It's coming.
A severe thunderstorm capable of producing 60 miles per hour.
Alright guys, it's coming.
Quarter-sized hail was located near
Oh.
Moving northeast.
Where'd the wind go? Up. There it is.
This severe thunderstorm will
It's not really bad. I regret what I just said. It's got brown in it again. It's got brown in it. Here we go.
And occasionally do produce tornadoes with
100 mile-an-hour winds. That's lame. That's lame for a tornado like this. Guys, it directly hit my brother's house. Oh no. Guys, it's heading towards the city of Hazleton. And then we got a second tornado trailing behind it. Oh, 116. Why is there a piece of roofing hit on my TIV? Get out my TIV. Dang, this is lame. It's only red now. It's weakening. No! Want to get a good intercept. Well, this is a good intercept. Huh. Oh, 140s. Oh, 150s. Thanks, Mr. Tornado. You were in EF5 earlier. You could have done better. Could have stayed in EF5 so I could show the viewers some cool footage. Now I'm undeploying. Oh no, hang on. It's multi-vortex. Dang, that's cool. It's back in the 150 range. I might die. Don't hit 150, don't hit 150, don't hit 150. Stay here, TIV. I think we might be good. Rotate the TIV. Alright. 150s again. 160s? We're losing the TIV, aren't we? We're gonna lose the TIV. We're gonna lose me. Oh, there's a pink TVS heading for the city. Alright, so 160s. Now my goal is to get to the city of Hazleton. Let me get to Hazleton. But I can't because I'm stuck in this darn tornado. Why did I jump out of my car? Why did I jump out of my car? Okay, I can live. I can live. Okay, that's fine. Alright. This was a monster tornado. The other one couldn't be too bad, right? Alright, let's keep going. Look at all the poor trees I knocked over. Or at least lost their branches. Surely the other one can't be too bad. Oh, there it is. Okay, it's a big boy. He's a big chungus. Okay, I've just hit the area where we need to start heading north to Hazleton. There's another rotation? You've got to be kidding me. I'm surrounded by tornadoes right now. There's this one. Oh, no. That one's hitting stuff. There's going to be another one south, and then there's one right next to me. Oh, no. This one's got black in it? Wait, I've not seen black for a long time, guys. That might mean it's a... Oh, no. Guys, this is, it's a bad tornado. Very bad tornado. We need to get to Hazleton quick. Oh, that one's back to a mile wide, probably. Dang. That one's probably 200.
Avoid windows.
Oh no, that one's hitting Hazleton, isn't it? Oh my god, it's huge again. Nahum, look at this. Nahum, look at this. Oh my freaking god, that thing is huge. Probably. Look at the warning box. It has to break 1.3 to be our biggest. The tornado has to beat 1.3 miles wide to be our biggest. It would have to be 1.4 to beat it, so yeah. And then there's another one. Okay. Yes, we have two cornering Hazleton right now. This one's already hitting. It's possibly going to devour everything in all of Hazleton, so... Yeah. Towards the National Weather Service.
You're going to lose your reader.
Yes, I am. Oh, it's black. I'm dead. Alright. Okay, Hazleton is not damaged. Well, it looks like there's some... Oh, dang it. There's some damage in Hazleton. Yep. Tornado hit Hazleton. We got roofs. Gone. What? Is there one of the... Oh, no. That one's got pitch black in it. Okay, what's this one? Alright. This thing, look, guys. That's black. That's all the way down there, guys. Oh, tornado tracks. First one's up. Almost a mile. Not a mile, though. Tornado emergency just got issued for Hazleton. Would have been more helpful if you issued that earlier, but that's fine. No, it's not fine. Alright, everyone in Hazleton needs to take shelter. Large and extremely dangerous tornadoes heading your way. Get these roofs on my road. Blah, blah, blah. I'm scared. Oh, this house's roof is gone. Let's see. Tornadoes nearing Hazleton. I need to keep heading north, or else I may miss it. We got debris in the road. There it is, power flashes. We might want to go to the National Weather Service. That might be our best bet at surviving this tornado. NWS employee. Oh no, my game's lagging. It's in Hazleton. It's heading for the National Weather Service. Oh, there's a debris ball. There's a debris ball. Debris ball. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wadena County in
It's right there. It's right there. It's right there.
A severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-sized hail was located near Palvoid.
I can't move. I can't move.
Northeast at 70 miles
Got deployed.
per hour. This severe thunderstorm will impact the following locations: Palvoid, Hazleton.
Oh no, I'm gonna die.
For your protection, move indoors.
It's heading right for the National Weather Service. Then there's the other one. That's probably weak. No, it's not weak. Bro. Here it is. It's hitting the National Weather Service. Don't lose my radar. Don't lose my radar. I need the radar. I need the radar. Here we go. We're in the tornado. Oh, God, we're in the hundreds. 120s, 150s. 140, 150. Saw 160. Oh, no. 160, 170. We lost the National Weather Service. Oh no. Oh no. Just slammed right into it. I'm still getting radar updates. It just went right over the... It just went right over the Hazleton radar. How is it still up? Well, there's something you don't see every day. I think we can all agree that that is something you don't see every day. The National Weather Service building almost completely slabbed. Hang on, wait. 165. It was an EF5 tornado. Guys. This is bad. This is bad. That is... Hey, it shows the risk. It's 837. High risk MDT slight. Tornadoes. Hail. Wait. Hang on a second. Alright guys, I guess that concludes the video. Well, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.